Solid Solutions provides a wide range of training courses, all of which are classroom-based and led by one of our highly trained application engineers. The SOLIDWORKS Electrical Schematics course is focused on 2D schematic design. The goal of this course is to teach you how to use SOLIDWORKS Electrical to optimise your drawings and designs for manufacturability. Over the course of 3 days, you'll have a chance to learn the key areas of the software and gain a wealth of new skills and knowledge. The course is predominantly aimed at new users of the SOLIDWORKS Electrical software. However, we also welcome infrequent users or an intermediate to advanced user, perhaps migrating from another 2D or electrical CAD package, or someone with existing SOLIDWORKS Electrical experience. Customers including panels or enclosures into their designs will benefit most from the course. For new users, knowledge of 2D CAD isn't required before attending, as we'll begin by covering the fundamentals before moving on to any more advanced topics. It is however expected that engineers attending will have some electrical system experience. This will enable targeted questions during the course, meaning that attendees get the most from the course. If you're keen to get started before attending, you may find it useful to try the tutorials available inside SOLIDWORKS Electrical. Click on the Help tab and then the Tutorial panel to access a number of guided tutorials in the software. This will put you in a great position to build on this knowledge in the classroom training, with the instructor being available to answer any questions you may have. During the course, we will cover many of the commands and options in detail, focusing on relevant features to enable successful creation of an electrical project. The course is designed around individual features and functions. By utilising case studies to illustrate these processes, you learn the necessary commands, options and menus in context of completing a variety of common tasks. Exercises also give you the opportunity to apply and practice some of the material covered. The course introduces the standard electrical design workflow that can be applied to any electrical application, covering both single-line and multi-line schematic drawing styles. Once the basic commands have been introduced, a key topic will be automation within the software, such as that seen with wire numbers, parts lists and wiring schedules. Advanced topics such as connectors and PLC creation will also be covered again, with the key feature being the speed of data creation within SOLIDWORKS Electrical. It's advised to attend the training in conjunction with the SOLIDWORKS Electrical Quick Start. This is a visit by a Solid Solutions engineer whereby additional setup and configuration is made to the software, all at the customer site. The end result being a customer template that can be used at the start of each new electrical project. Please contact training@solidsolutions.co.uk for more information or any other training related inquiries.